Hey, fellow mathematicians! Before we get into the episode, we want to let you know some important information about Math is Figureoutable merch.
Yeah, we know so many of you love all the great designs that we have on the Math is Figureoutable website, and you might want to share the love with some fellow mathy friends.
If you're in the US and order apparel like t-shirts and hoodies by December 10th, it will arrive before the holidays. If you're out of the States, you'll want to order sooner than that to make sure you get your merch. Make sure you are holiday ready and get your order placed by December 10th. Now, on to the show. Hey, fellow mathers. Welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam Harris.
And I'm Kim Montague.
And this is a Math Strat Chat episode because we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use, and we love it when you comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this week, our math problem was compare 4/9 and 5/11. How would you solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve however you'd like. The problem is 4/9 and 5/11. Give those a compare.
All right, so Kim, I am aware that I have the same paper out that I had for last week's Math Strat Chat, which was 4/9 compared to 6/11. And we reasoned a couple ways to find that 4/9 is less than 6/11. But now we've got one less 11th. So 4/9 is less than half because 4.5/9 is a half. 5/11 is less than half because 5.5/11. So what I just wrote down was 4.5/9 and 5.5/11. So 4/9 is just a half of a ninth under a half. And 5/11 is a half of an 11th under 1/2. Since an 11th is smaller than a ninth, 5/11 is not as far from a half as 4/9, right? Oh, I love that I could just do that.
Love that.
Wait, I have to say that again.
Say it again. Yeah.
So 5/11 is not as far under a half as 4/9. Yeah.
And so you think what's bigger?
So I think 5/11 is still bigger. Not as far under. Yeah. Right?
Wait, say that again. You think
okay.
What's bigger?
Yeah, good question.
Can you draw? Are you drawing something?
No.
Oh, maybe put them on the.
Well, I have 5.5/11.
Okay.
So let me just compare that again. 5/11 to 5.5/11. I'm a half of an 11th under 1/2, and a half of an 11th is smaller. Yeah. Oh, so it's so it's closer. So it is. It's bigger. 5/11 is bigger than 4/9.
I love that when you said that to yourself a second time, you drastically different. You're like, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Convinced, confident.
Nice.
Nicely done.
Okay. I have no idea what you're going to do.
I actually
thanks for letting me have my way first.
No, it's okay. Well, I started to go down the path that you were, and then I realized that you were doing that, so I decided to do something different. And really, 11s and 9s are not my favorite, but for whatever reason, I think that I would just scale up for this one, and I'd say, I guess I would. So I'm going to scale up. No, because I do think there's a world where it's okay to scale up sometimes, making meaning of it.
Yep.
So I'm going to call 5/11 the same as equivalent to 45/99. And I'm going to call 4/9 equivalent to 44/99.
Whoa, those are so close, eh?
Yeah. So it's 1/99. No wonder it's challenging to tell without a little bit more thinking. They're so close.
Yeah.
So 5/11.
Cool problem.
Yeah.
You're cool, Kim. You're so cool. All right, y'all.
You wrote it.
We can't wait to see. But I knew they were close. I don't know if I knew how close.
Yeah.
We can't wait to see what you do each week. Join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you are thinking about the problems. And while you're there, comment on each other's strategies.
Yeah, Pam posts the problem on Wednesday evenings at 7 p.m. Central. And when you answer, you can tag her and use the hashtag Math Strat Chat. Then join us here to hear what we're thinking about the problem.
We love having you as part of the Math is Figureoutable movement because math is figureoutable.
Hey, listeners, don't forget, if you love Math is Figureoutable merch and want to share the love with your family and friends, now is the time.
That's right. If you're in the U.S. and order your favorite t-shirts and hoodies by December 10th, it will arrive before the holidays. Share the Math is Figureoutable love with your favorite people and keep spreading the word that math is figure-outable.